people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you some of those oil that you should use on your skin, on your face, okay, that would help you so much anytime you want to massage your face. Okay, now let me tell you one thing, the skin actually needs massage. Okay, now you have to massage your skin, you have to massage your face, you have to let that friction go on the that will help so much in strengthening your skin and make your skin look super glowing and plump. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you some of the oil that you're going to use to for massage, and you're going to apply on your skin, and it's going to help you so much. So if you want to know what it is, do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and let me walk you through into this video. Okay guys, so for a well smooth skin, we're gonna be needing to use some oil, yeah, and these are it. Okay, so let me show you them one after the other. You're gonna be needing Excel jelly. Okay, this contains coconut oil, which is also perfect for the skin, and this is it. It helps so much to lock in moisture onto your skin. So how you're going to do that is that you're going to take in half teaspoon of it into a bowl, and then also you're going to be making use of vitamin E oil. Now vitamin E oil is a great oil for massage. It works in retaining moisture and also strengthening fine lines and wrinkles. It helps your skin glow. So what we're going to do here is that you're going to be putting in some few drops of that. Okay, look at that. Some few drops into this, and then we're going to be making use of shea butter. This is a remedy that helps so much for the skin because it helps to retain the nourishment of the skin, and it also helps to make your skin look younger by straightening out fine lines and as well as wrinkles. Shea butter is popularly known to help the skin glow. Okay, so we're gonna be taking just a little quantity of that, about half teaspoon, into this also. Okay, now we'll have to be mixing these three great ingredients together before we introduce the other ones. Now combining all of this beautiful and great oil together would help your skin glow really well. And then also we're going to be making use of aloe vera. Now you have to use 100% pure gel of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a great moisturizing therapy for sunburn, dry skin, and irritated skin. It works in rejuvenating the skin as well as perfect for massage. So what we're going to do is that we're going to be taking about 1 full tablespoon of aloe vera. Okay, now we're just going to be turning that into this. Okay, for this remedy guys, you don't need to use the fresh aloe vera. The fresh aloe vera is not going to be perfect for this because basically you're using this for a massage, so you don't need the fresh aloe vera. Yeah, so now we'll mix it all up. And then we're going to be making use of rose water and as well as glycerin. Now, rose water and glycerin is a great remedy that helps to keep the skin calm. It reduces the redness of an irritated skin, and it makes the skin look really young and healthy. It also helps in making the skin tighter and firmer. So I'm going to be putting about 1 teaspoon of this, okay, because we have to make sure that this oil is an oil-based oil, sorry, water-based oil. Okay, now water-based oil is usually very soft and it contains a little bit of water because the skin needs water at all time. Then we're going to be putting in coconut oil, which is very required for this. Coconut oil is essential for the skin. It works wonders in repairing and it also helps to remove all manner of blemishes, and it locks in moisture onto the skin. It helps so much to smoothing up your skin. So we're going to be putting about 1 teaspoon of this, and we'll give this a final stir. And this oil is perfect for a massage. Perfect for a massage. You can see how it is. It's looking like a lotion. This is perfect for a massage. Okay, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be using this to massage the body or your face. Alright guys, so this is the oil for your massage. Okay, so you can actually just turn this oil into a little container and then you store it for future use. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that whenever you want to massage your face, you take this oil and then you apply it onto your face. Yeah, apply a generous amount of it, okay, so that when you want to massage your face, you have a very good friction. Take more. Alright, so now the massage. Okay guys, so the first thing you're supposed to do is to expand your forehead, raising it up and bringing it in this way. So what we're gonna do first thing, do that every massage should be up to 10, okay? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, you raise your cheek up. 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and then your chin, and then your nose area. Okay, your whole face. This place is actually very important for you to massage, okay, so that it gets straightened, because when hair starts to fold, is that it to actually make you begin to look older than your age. So you massage it and then you take your neck really up and your mouth pointing up like this. You're gonna be feeling the impact, trust me, do that. Okay, so ready. Yeah, and then you do the same thing here. Okay, so after that, and then you do like this. Cut that. Okay, so your eyebrow points, you have to be using your 2 fingers, and then you drag it this way. Okay, and then this place has to go up, so you check it up your eyebrow area and your eye area where there's usually wrinkles. Take it up the same way here. Yeah, so after that, then you massage your face upward direction. Yup. Okay guys, so after doing that, then you can massage your neck downward. Yeah, this is actually very important. Yeah. Okay guys, so that's it. You have to store the oil for massage. Massage your face at least once in a week or once in 2 weeks, at most 2 times in a month. Massage your face 2 times in a month, or let's say 3 to 4 times in a month, and your skin is going to be looking glowing, and wrinkles and fine lines is just going to be far away from you. Okay, your skin is going to be looking really ageless and flawless. So basically that's it. That's how you massage your face basically, and it helps so much, like so much. Okay, so if you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless. Bye.